So hello everyone, Ved this side, and today we'll learn about how to get started with your Fiverr freelancing journey and how to get maximum number of clients from the first few weeks and how to optimize your profile. So on the first landing page, which is fiverr.com, we'll see a few options like Fiverr business, explore English, and your currency, become a seller. So we'll choose become a seller, and here you will see other top sellers from different niches. So here the services about are of web designer, web developer, writer, video editor, graphic designer, musician, social media marketer, or any service you want. So let's get started. And the first thing is you need a Gmail account, or I am already having a Fiverr profile. So what I'll do is I'll create a fake mail like temp mail, and I'll just use that. So here you have to choose your username. So let's say I want to do social media management. So I'll type with SMM stand for social media marketing. So here we have to confirm our mail. So we'll activate our account here. So our account is successfully activated. So let's get to the profile. And here's our profile, completely blank. So what we need to do is have a profile pic and some bio here, some some short summary about what we do here, then a description and what languages we speak, and link the accounts which you have like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and whatever, GitHub. And here there will come your education, your certifications, and your skills. So coming back to the previous page, we will see an option of becoming a seller. So we'll click it, and here we'll start about our journey and create. Here they explain how to get started and all, but you can just skip it for now. So my name is Ved, and okay, here we go. After adding profile picture and a proper description, we'll add the languages which we know and also some of which we don't. Then we'll add Spanish and French. I'll tell you the reason. So basically most of people just add the English language, and what we can do is just use Google Translate with these clients and have a conversation. And these clients, I got actually one of the clients from the other countries. Actually he knew English, but still it's beneficial to add French and Spanish. So what's your occupation? I'll write digital marketing, content marketing, marketing strategy, and influencer marketing, social media marketing, and video marketing. So you'll add your skill and experience level. You can also add some suggestions which you are provided, social media marketing and all. Then you'll add your college and all details. So let's go to that. Okay, where's India? Let's go for, let's like anything here and add this. Okay, so write the proper description here. It doesn't matter much. If you have any certifications, you can add here. or you can link your professional website here, and make sure you edit your experience to the 5 strong is here. Okay, let's edit my experience here. So let's go. So here's where you can add your Google, Facebook and Twitter account to increase your score on Fiverr, which according to this, the Fiverr will trust your account much, and you will get a better SEO ranking on your Fiverr gigs. I will show you how to rank your Fiverr gigs and how to make them in the next video. I'll skip it for now, and we'll add phone number, and email is already verified, and you can continue to build your gig. And we need minimum rate of 65% completion, like you need to connect your social calendars, confirm your phone number, do something.